This is our max class. In the previous class, we have seen introduction about geometric progression. Today, in this video, we are going to learn remaining examples and some exercise problems in 2.7. Let us recap some important points of the topic geometric progression. The general form of GPS AR, AR squared and so on up to nth term AR power n minus 1. Here A is first term and R is a common ratio. The next point, the nth term of GPS. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. Here A is a first term, R is a common ratio, n is number of terms. The next heading, common ratio. It is denote the letter R, which is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2, T4 by T3 and so on. The next point, the effect of the three consecutive terms of a GP is A by R, AR. Here R is a common ratio. Then the last point, the product of the four consecutive terms of a GPS A by R cube, A by R, AR cube. These are the important points to remember of this exercise. Let us see the remaining examples of exercise 2.7. Example 2.43. See the question. In a geometric progression, the fourth term is 8 by 9 and the seventh term is 64 by 243. Find the geometric progression. In this question, in a GP, fourth term and seventh term is given. We have to find the GP. Then means first you have to find the value of A and value of R, that is first term and common ratio. Then you have to apply that value in the general term of GP, means we get the answer. Let us do the solution. In solution, first you take down and write the given in a GP. T4 is equal to 8 by 9. Then general term of T4 is AR cube is equal to 8 by 9. Then next given T7 is equal to 64 by 243. Here general form of T7 is AR power 6 is equal to 64 by 243. Let us assume this number 1 and this one number 2. Now you have to divide this 2, means A cancel and get the value of R. That is 2 divided by 1. That is second equation divided by first equation. We get AR power 6 by AR cube is equal to 64 by 243 divided by 8 by 9. Here A cancel and here R 3 times and here R 6 times. So you have to cancel this, means we get R cube. Now you have to simplify this fraction. It is in division form, so you have to change this in multiplication form. That is R cube is equal to 64 by 243 into the reciprocal of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. Now you have to cancel this, means 1 8 is 8, 8 8s are 64. For cancelling this 9 table means we get 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, the remaining 6, then 7 9s are 63. Now we have R cube is equal to 8 by 27. That is cube R is equal to cube root of 8 by 27, which is equal to 2 by 3. Hence the value of R is equal to 2 by 3. That is common ratio 2 by 3. Now you have to apply this value in the first equation, means we get the value of A. First you take down and write the first given, that is AR cube is equal to 8 by 9. Here R is 2 by 3. Therefore A into 2 by 3 the whole cube is equal to 8 by 9. Now you have to simplify this, means A into 2 cube 8 by 3 cube 27 is equal to 8 by 9. It can be written as A is equal to 8 by 9. Transpose this fraction after the equal, means it will change it as a divide. That is, in multiplication form, reciprocal of this fraction is 27 by 8. For cancelling this, 1 8 is 8, 1 8 is 8, then 1 9 is 9, then 3 9s are 27. Hence the value of A is equal to 3. Now we have the value of first term and common difference. Next we have to find the GP of the given term. The general form of GP is AR squared and so on. Here A is 3, 3 into R is 2 by 3, again 3 into 2 by 3 the whole square. Now you have to simplify this, means we get 3, here 3 cancel and get 2, here 2 by 3 the whole squared is 4 by 9. Then cancelling 3 table means we get 4 by 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, so 4 by 3 and so on. Hence the record GP is 3, 2, 4 by 3 and so on. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the next example 2.44. See the question. The product of three consecutive terms of a geometric progression is 343 and their sum is 91 by 3. Find the three terms. In this question, product of three consecutive terms of a GP and their sum is given. We have to find that three terms. Then means here you have to use the three consecutive terms of a GP. What is that? Yes, A by R, A R. Let us do the solution. Let the three terms of a GP be A by R, AR. Now you write down the given, that is product of three terms is equal to 343 is given, that is A by R into AR is equal to 343. Here R cancel, then we get A into AS, A cube is equal to 343. Then the value of A is equal to cube root of 343. A is equal to cube root of 343 is 7 cube, that is 7. Therefore, the value of A is 7. Then next given, sum of three terms is equal to 91 by 3. That is A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 91 by 3. Here A is common, so you take out A means we get A into 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 91 by 3. Now you have to take LCM means we get A into R, here LCM R, then 1 plus R squared is equal to 91 by 3. We know that the value of A is 7. So 7 into 1 plus R squared by R is equal to 91 by 3. It can be written as 1 plus R squared by R is equal to 91 by 3 into 7. Here 7 is in multiplication form. Transpose this after the equal means it becomes divide. Now you have to cancel this by 7 table. 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7, remaining 2, 3 7s are 21. Therefore, 1 plus R squared by R is equal to 13 by 3. Next you have to cross multiply, this means we get 3 into 1 plus R squared is equal to 13R. That is 3 plus 3R plus 3R squared is equal to 13R. It can be written as 3R squared plus 3R minus 13R is plus 3 is equal to 0. That is 3R squared minus 10R plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. Now you have to factorize, this means we get, you apply T method and factorize this. 3 into 3, 9 minus 10. Now you have to split the number 9 means we get minus 1 minus 9. You have to multiply, this means we get plus 9, adding this means we get minus 10. Then next you have to divide it by 3 because the coefficient of r squared is 3. So you have to divide it by 3 means we get, cancel this means 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Then the factors are 3r minus 1 into r minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence, the value of r is equal to plus 1 by 3, plus 3. This is the values of r. Now, we have the value of a and the value of r. Then, next we have to find the 3 numbers. The 3 terms or a by r, AR. When a is equal to 7 and r is equal to 1 by 3, we get 7 by 1 by 3, 7 into 1 by 3. It can be written as 7 by fraction. So, you have to reciprocal, this means 21, 7, 7 by 3. Next, you have to find when a is equal to 7 and r is equal to 3. That is a by r. 7 by 3, A7, AR 7 into 3. It can be written as 7 by 3, 7, 21. Hence, the 3 numbers are 21, 7, 7 by 3 or 7 by. Now, we move on to the next example 2.45. See the question. The present value of a machine is rupees 40,000 and its value depreciates each year by 10%. Find the estimated value of the machine in 6th year. In this question, the present value of the machine and depreciation value of the each year is given. We have to find the value of the machine in 6th year. Let us do the solution. In solution, first you take down and write the given, that is, the present value of the machine is rupees 40,000. That is, the value of the machine in the first year is equal to, that is, T1 is equal to A is equal to rupees 40,000. Next given, the value of the machine depreciate each year by 10%. Then means after the first year, the value of the machine is 90% of the first year, because in the question they given 10% depreciate. Therefore, T2 is equal to 40,000 rupees. 40,000 into 90% is 90 by 100. Similarly, after the second year, that is T3 is equal to the value of the machine is 90% of the previous year value, which is equal to rupees 40,000 into 90 by 100. This is previous year value. Then multiply by depreciate value, that is 90 by 100. It can be written as T3 is equal to rupees 40 percentage into 90 by 100 the whole square. Let this continue up to 6th year, that is T6. Here we have to find the value of T6. From this it is clear that depreciation value of the machine in every year is form a GP. Hence, the GP is 40,000, 40,000 into 90 by 100, 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole square, and so on up to 6 terms. Here A is equal to 40,000 and R is equal to, that is here 90 by 100 is multiplying in every year, therefore 90 by 100 is a constant number. That is common ratio R is equal to 90 by 100. To cancel this means we get R is 9 by 10. Then here N is equal to 6. U of the machine in 6th year, that is T6 is equal to, the general form of T6 in GP is A into R power n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 we have 5. Here you have to apply the A value and R value, that is T6 is equal to, here A is 40,000 into R is 9 by 10 the whole power 5. It can be written as 40,000 into, expand this 9 by 5 up to 5 times, that is 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Cancelling this 0 means here 4 0. Here 4 0 cancel means we have 4 into 9 9s are 81 into, again 9 9s are 81 into 9 by 10. Now you have to simplify this means T6 is equal to 4 81s are 324 into 81 into 9 is 729 by 10. Now you have to multiply this means we have 2,36,196 by 10. Now again you have to simplify this means we get T6 is equal to 23,619.6. Hence the value of the machine in the 6th year is 23,619.6. Now you take down and write the answer. Hence the value of the machine in 6th year is rupees 23,619.60 paise. This is the answer for this question. Now let us start to do the exercise 2.7 problems. See the fourth question. Find x so that x plus 6, x plus 12 and x plus 15 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. In this question, GP is given. We have to find the value of x. Let us do the solution. In solution, first you take down and write the given sequence. The given GP is x plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15. Or the three consecutive terms. Then means here T1 is x plus 6 and T2 is x plus 12 and T3 is x plus 15. We know that in a GP common ratios are equal. Therefore, T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 because the given sequence is in GP. Now you have to substitute the given term, that is T2 is x plus 12 by x plus 6 is equal to x plus 15 by x plus 12. Cross multiply this means we get x plus 12 the whole squared is equal to x plus 15 into x plus 6. Now you have to apply the identity x plus 12 the whole square, that is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That is x squared plus 24x plus 144 is equal to. Now you have to multiply this two term, that is x into x, x squared, x into 6 plus 6x, 15 into x plus 15x, 15 into 6 plus 90. Now you have to simplify this means we get x squared plus 24x plus 144 is equal to x squared 6x plus 15x we have plus 21x plus 90. X squared cancel. Now you bring the x term before the equal and take the constant term after the equal, that is 24x minus 21x is equal to 90 minus 144. Now you have to subtract this means we have 3x is equal to minus 54, that is x is equal to minus 54 by 3. Cancelling this by 3 table, 1 3 is 3 minus 1 3 is 3, remainder 2, 8 3s are 24. Then the value of x is equal to minus 18. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the next sum. That is fifth sum. See the question. Find the number of terms of the following GP. In this question, GP is given. We have to find the number of terms. That is, you have to find the value of n. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given GP. The given GP is 4, 8, 16 and so up to 8192. Here A is equal to 4 and R is equal to T2 divided by T1. 8 by 4, cancelling this by 4 table means we have 2. That is R is equal to 2. Then nth term also given, that is Tn is equal to 8192. 8192. You have to apply the nth term of GP formula, that is A into R power n minus 1 is equal to 8192. Here you have to apply the value of A and R, that is 4 into 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 8192. Now, in the next step, transpose this 4 after the equal means it becomes divide. That is 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 8192 by 4. Cancelling this by 4 table means 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8, 0, 4 4s are 16, remaining 3, 8 4s are 32. Therefore, n 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2048. You have to change this number in the power of 2. That is 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 power, take L shape division for this number, 2048. Yes, put 2 table, 1 2 is to 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, again 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4, again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12, then again 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 2 table 16 times, then again 2 table 8 times, then 2 table 4 times, 2 2s are 4. Now you have to count the number of 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 2 power 11. Both sides the base are equal. So cancelling this base 2 means we get n minus 1 is equal to 11. That is n is equal to 11 plus 1. N is equal to 12. Number of terms of the given GP is 12. This is the answer for this question. Similarly, we have to do the second subdivision of this question. That is, let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given GP. The given GP is 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 up to 1 by 2187. Here A is equal to 1 by 3 and R is equal to T2 divided by T1, which is equal to, you have to write this in multiplication form, that is 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. Cancelling this by 3 table means we get R is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have common ratio R 1 by 3 and A first term 1 by 3. and nth term also given in the question, that is Tn is equal to 1 by 2187. Now you have to apply the nth term formula of Gp, that is A into R power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187. Here A is 1 by 3 into R is 1 by 3, the whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187. Here also we need to find the value of n. In the next step, you have to transpose this 1 by 3 after the equal, means it becomes divide, that is 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187 into 3. Now you have to cancel this by 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, remainder 2, 9 3s are 27. That is 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 729. To change the 729 is in the power of 3. That is 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by. Apply this number by L-shape division, means we get, put 3 table, this 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, then 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3, then 81 comes 27 times in the 3 table, then next 27 comes 9 times, then 9 comes 3 times. Now you have to count the number of 3's, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, here you have to write 1 by 3 power 6. It can be written as 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 the whole power 6. Here both sides the base are common. So cancelling the base and equal the power term, that is n minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore n is equal to 6 plus 1, then we get n is equal to 7. Hence the number of terms of the given GP is 7. This is the answer for this question.